You can start making money with AI this week. I've taught many people to generate massive side income with just a phone, a laptop, and smart use of AI. In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways to generate thousands, if not millions, with AI. Now, a lot of AI tools are there for everyone. They will literally help you in everything from writing to making images, building websites, automating emails, and generating leads. That means tasks that took hours to be done can be done much faster, and faster work means more clients and more money. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GPTs, and today I'll be showing you the path of 5 AI tools that will help you to get and make more money. So let's dive in. At number 1, it's AI Service Hustle. This is the easiest place to start. Offer a service that uses AI to do time-consuming tasks quickly. Think about writing captions, making Instagram carousels, creating product descriptions, or building short videos. Pick one thing that you're okay with. It can be writing, designing, or speaking. Choose an AI tool that can help you to deliver it fast. It can be like ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Sora, Claude, or Gemini. Then make a sample for small businesses or your friends as a testimonial. While approaching the client, you can tell them that you can save their time and they will pay you for faster results and the delivery. Okay, story time. I did this thing for a local cafe and I generated around 10 posts for them in an hour using AI. And the owner was literally really happy with the result, and he gave me monthly project and I charged a handsome amount with it. Number 2. Personalized AI assistants for people and businesses. This one is gold. It is a great way to make millions in a lesser time. Create custom AI assistants or GPTs for busy and wealthy people. Think of it like a mini AI helper that can help and that actually knows their work, their style, their voice, and their goals. Busy executives, creators, or coaches will pay you a lot to save their time. I personally know many people who want to incorporate AI in their organization and they want someone to do it for them. You just need to ask them some simple questions, their daily tasks, style, goals, etc. Then make a master prompt that will help the assistant to guide and respond to their goals. Add some subordinate templates in it, like their social media post draft, their emails, the kind of work they do usually on daily basis and they will be needing of. Install it for them and teach them how to use it. You can charge them for the setup and also you can charge monthly for the update of their work. And the best part is you can manage multiple clients with the same workflow. Next is content repurposing and short clips. With ever decreasing attention span of the newer generation, the creators need to shift to the shorter clips to grow on social media. You can take long videos, podcasts, and blog posts and turn them into various shorts, carousels, tweets, and reels with AI in minutes. Transcribe the long content using AI. Ask the AI to pull out 5 to 10 strong moments or quotes from the transcript. Convert each moment into short clips, titles, and captions. Finally, just add visuals and subtitles using AI video editors like CapCut, Canva, or Descript. You can easily pack this as a monthly service, as creators and brands pay a lot on these kind of things as they will boost their reaches. Almost every podcaster on YouTube has a separate channel for their shorts and their clips. Next one is no-code AI websites and landing pages. As we are going to talk about website and landing pages, you can check out this video over here which tells about how you can create your own AI websites. Do check it out. Earlier, website building means hiring an expensive designer, learning coding, and working on weird but limited templates. But not anymore, as AI website builders can build beautiful landing pages and complete websites in just few minutes. This works great for small businesses, coaches, and courses. You can start by using no-code AI website builders like Ready, Lovable, or Replit. Collect the client info like brand, tone, colors, etc. and feed the prompt to the tool. Let the tool generate the site and then tweak it as per the requirement. You will be surprised by the results. You can also offer maintenance plans, updates, and SEO tweaks as your monthly service. Time for the last but not the least one. Make and sell an AI workshop or a course. If you know how to do something useful package it into a short workshop. AI can help you to write the course, slides, quizzes, and even exercises. And here, you don't need to be a famous expert of the expertise. You only need to have results or a clean method to do it. AI will do all the heavy lifting and you just need to compile all your knowledge and sell it live, or you can go for the recorded courses too. If people get desired results, they will come back to you or they will recommend you to more people. It's a really great way to earn passive income with the knowledge, with the things that you already know how to do. Okay, now don't be confused with what to do and what not to do. Just answer these 3 questions. What are you already good at? Who needs the result you can give? And how fast can you get paid? Pick the method that matches these 3 questions and then simply just sample them all and start approaching clients. Just don't wait for perfection and start hustling today only. And if you consistently follow any of these 5 methods, I'm not saying you might, then you will be earning something more than that you expect. So, should you start using AI to make money? Honestly, I need to answer these questions. Just pick any of the method and be consistent what you do at and add the real value from your side. Now, here is a challenge for you all. Just choose one of the method from any of the 5 and comment it down in the comment section, and then go for a 48-hour challenge, that what you have done in those 48 hours for your goal, for making money using any of those 5 methods. And that's all in this video about how you can make money using AI, the 5 methods, the 5 golden methods. And if you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and comment down the challenge you are giving to yourself too. And what else? Just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.